Christmas! Where are you running to? Where are you running to? Merry Christmas, guys. Happy New Year in advance.
Merry Christmas.
Today is officially 25th of December. And this, my friend, is here today. We had a cooking arrangement, but things are not going the way they're supposed to go now. Thank God I helped myself. Did I tell you I helped myself already? When I woke up, I first had pap. PG made pap. I had pap and settled with moi moi first. Because now, imagine, past to one, Jolade.
That's a joking stuff. Yeah, joking
to
stuff.
one, I would have just now be thinking of cooking. But now we're going to cook. We're going to cook our rice now.
Now you're talking.
Look at her. We're going to cook our Christmas rice now. And yes. So some of you guys are saying, oh, this hair is still neat. This hair is still neat. Let me just bust your bubble. This is the second time I'm doing it. So I will take it out, wash my hair, and redo it. It's so easy to make. So when I'm out of hair ideas, I just like to do it. And I'm doing it 2 times consecutively now. We have done it 2 times consecutively. Anyway, let me stop talking and let's go and cook. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients and we'll get to it. What are we cooking? Coconut rice. Let's go.
I'm just enough to make you smile.
You have to do your part.
And you need me
Coconut.
to hold you close. And all your that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand.
Hi guys, so I slept off. Saw that movie, I slept off and now I'm just editing a vlog. It's already night, it's already past 8, so once I'm done here, I'll probably just be editing till it's time for bed. I just had gari and coconut, told you guys, so refreshing. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm just going to be indoors. Tomorrow is my reflection, planning, purpose, packaging everything kind of day. I think my sister is coming. Toyos is coming. I think if she chooses to come, she's coming here with her husband. But aside that, tomorrow I'll probably just be inside. I didn't even step outside today. Christmas Day. I think as you grow, the meaning of Christmas just changes. It's good to just go with the flow. So yeah, I'll probably just be home tomorrow, and then on Thursday there's so much to do. I'll bring you guys along. Yeah.
and all your fears around the ground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in love. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle. slow grind.